Welcome back, and today I'm gonna share one hack that aligns so perfectly with your goals and interests that it would feel like you are hitting two birds with a single stone. This English learning hack is so powerful that it strengthens your subconscious mind to get comfortable with English and ultimately give you magical results. The hack is to watch short videos in English, and the goal is to absorb English like a sponge. You can follow these steps to make this hack effective. Step number 1 is pick something you are genuinely interested in or curious about. Whether it's a cooking tutorial, a travel vlog, a TED talk, or even a clip from your favorite show. The topic doesn't matter as much as your interest, because it's easier to watch a video till the end if you're excited to hear what they have to say. There are some awesome places to find short, engaging videos in English, such as YouTube. You can search for tutorials, vlogs, and short talks on this platform. There is another platform called TEDed, which is my favorite, where you can explore educational videos on nearly every topic imaginable. Then there is English Club, where you can watch videos designed just for English learners. One platform is BBC Learning English, which has news and cultural stories in short clips with subtitles. Choose any platform at your own convenience. Step number 2 is start watching the video, and while watching, focus on listening and understanding. Try to avoid pausing too much, You just need to catch the main ideas. Remember, you're not trying to understand every single word, because that's gonna take time, Instead, focus on the overall meaning and let the unfamiliar phrases or expressions just go through your ears for now without putting pressure on your mind. Also, you can turn on your subtitles in English if available, but I would advise you not to rely on them the whole time. Next step number 3 is write down new words or phrases. You can grab your notebook and create a quick note on your phone. Jot down words or phrases that you liked in the video, especially the ones that you would love to use in your own conversations. For each word, you should note down the meaning in simpler terms, an example sentence, and if possible, practice saying it out loud to build your confidence. And in case you don't know much about any word, you can check it on Cambridge Dictionary or definitions and pronunciation. Also, you can use website called Forvo to hear native speakers pronounce it. It is really helpful. I've also attached a PDF in which I have added the list of resources you can use to make this hack easy to implement for you. You can find the PDF in the description. Now, the last but the most important step is to summarize the video in 3 sentences. Please don't skip this step, because here's where the magic happens. Take a moment to think back on what you have just watched. Try to summarize the video in 3 sentences or less. It will help you process what you just heard, solidify the key points, and practice forming English sentences in your own words. You should know why this hack works. There is a science of active listening behind it. When you watch and summarize, you are engaging in what psychologists call active listening. Unlike passive listening, where sounds pass through your mind, active listening forces your brain to process, retain, and respond. And hey, here's a secret. Each time you do this, you are building an inner library of words, phrases, and expressions. So after a while, you'll start using them naturally, like they are your second nature. You can challenge yourself to make it fun and personal as well by adding your thoughts. For example, after summarizing, note how the video made you feel. Did it inspire you? Did it make you curious? Or gave you new ideas? Or you can talk about the video to a friend or even to yourself. Retell what you learned to a friend or family member, even in your native language. The act of explaining will help you remember and understand it better. If you're feeling brave, challenge yourself to watch without subtitles once in a while. You may surprise yourself with how much you understand. I know what you're probably thinking right now. How am I supposed to remember all these words or summaries or even understand what's happening in the video? You are not alone in this. We all feel like it. It's 100% normal, and I have been there too. Remember, you are braver than you think. Each video, each new word is a step forward towards your English fluency. I believe in you, so don't give up, please. You can do it. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing hacks like this. Don't forget to like and comment if you found it helpful. Until next time, keep shining.